In this video, we'll show you how to use Genio Notes to take notes during online lectures. This will enable you to take effective notes whether you're working on Zoom, Teams, Google Meet, or any other platform. As you'll need to view your lecture and use Genio Notes at the same time, you'll want to open them in separate windows. Before the lecture starts, click the New Event button and give your lecture a name. Click the Record button and choose one of the remote recording options. If you choose Screen Audio, you'll just be recording the audio that comes out of your computer. Use this if you don't want to record your own voice. If you do want to record your own voice as well, choose Screen Audio and Mic. In the pop-up window, select the browser tab you want to record from. Make sure the Share Audio tab box is checked and then click Share. Everything that's said in the lecture will now be recorded, and you can take notes in the same way you would if you were recording in person. To add a text note, just start typing. When done, click the arrow or press Enter to send it to your notes feed. You can also tag key moments using labels and add more structure to your notes using headings. When recording remote lectures, you can also take screenshots. This is useful when someone is sharing their screen and you want to capture something that's being presented visually. To do this, simply click the Screenshot button. Finally, when the lecture ends, just remember to click Stop.